We are moving the aluminum sheets to line 3.
Confirmed. All clear on this side. Position 2 is clear. Bring the next unit forward. Copy. Moving the red one in now. We are clear for strapping.
Clear for transport lift. Monitor hydraulic pressure.
Pressure issue is nominal. Bay 4 is clear. Proceeding to dock. Looks good from here. Calibration is holding steady.
Data logs finalized on Unit 4.
Good.
Power down sequence initiated. The automated gates are clear.
All right, send the next shipment through to Bay 3. Final inspection complete. All systems nominal. Great work. Let's send it down the line.
The oscillation dampening is within tolerance.
Good. Log the results and move to the next sequence.
Phase 2 calibration complete on Vehicle 7.
Data looks nominal across the board.
Look at the torque spike at 4,500 RPM. It's exceeding the threshold.
Yes, I see that. We need to log the cooling system response.
Cross-referencing the schematic on the door assemble.
Acknowledged. Everything is lining up perfectly.
The new AGV routing has really smoothed out the flow. Definitely. We're seeing a 20% increase in throughput.
Phase 3 integration is stable across all 12 points.
Confirmed. The continuity metrics are holding perfectly.
Autopilot systems are nominal. Check the energy consumption.
It's stable, well within parameters. Safety diagnostics complete.
Excellent. Everything checks out for delivery.
The airflow seems optimized now. What do you think?
Yes, the climate control is working perfectly. The seat adjustments are also very smooth.
The automated gates are clear.
All right, send the next shipment through to Bay 3.